Asparagus can grow 11 foot tall. When left to its own devices, asparagus can reach staggering heights, with some spears growing up to 11 foot tall. Factors such as soil quality, sunlight, and watering habits all play a role in determining the ultimate height of unharvested asparagus. As the plant matures, its energy shifts from producing edible shoots to developing tall, feathery fronds that can tower above the surrounding landscape, a surprising transformation that highlights the plant's remarkable adaptability. When asparagus is left to grow unharvested, it can produce small, red berries that are not only unpalatable but also toxic to humans. This phenomenon occurs because the asparagus plant is allowed to reach its full maturity, at which point it directs its energy towards producing seeds for reproduction. The red berries, which are actually modified seed pods, contain toxic compounds called saponins, which can cause a range of symptoms including nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea if ingested. The toxicity of these berries serves as a natural deterrent to protect the plant from being eaten by animals, allowing it to disperse its seeds and propagate. Interestingly, the toxicity of the berries is not unique to asparagus, as many other plants produce similar compounds to protect themselves from herbivores. The production of toxic berries by unharvested asparagus is a fascinating example of the complex strategies that plants have evolved to ensure their survival and reproduction. By understanding this phenomenon, we can better appreciate the intricate relationships between plants and their environment. When asparagus is allowed to spread into the wild, it can pose a significant threat to both humans and animals. The red berries produced by unharvested asparagus plants contain toxic compounds that can cause a range of health problems, from nausea and vomiting to abdominal pain and diarrhea. If ingested, these berries can be particularly dangerous for children and pets, who may be attracted to their bright color and succulent appearance. Furthermore, wild asparagus can also outcompete native vegetation, leading to a loss of biodiversity and ecosystem disruption. Responsible gardening practices, such as regular harvesting and removal of seed-bearing stalks, are essential for preventing the spread of wild asparagus and mitigating its risks. By taking these precautions, gardeners can help protect both their families and the environment from the hidden dangers of wild asparagus. It is crucial for gardeners to be aware of these risks and take proactive steps to prevent the spread of this invasive plant, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for all. In conclusion, the secret life of asparagus reveals a surprising and potentially hazardous truth. When left unharvested, asparagus can grow up to 11 foot tall and produce red berries that are toxic to humans. This phenomenon is a result of the plant's natural life cycle, and it's essential for gardeners to be aware of the risks associated with neglecting their asparagus crops. The spread of wild asparagus and its toxic berries can pose a threat to both humans and wildlife, emphasizing the importance of responsible gardening practices. Gardeners must prioritize regular harvesting and maintenance to prevent the proliferation of wild asparagus and ensure a safe environment for everyone. By understanding the secret life of asparagus, gardeners can take the necessary precautions to avoid the hidden dangers of unharvested crops and enjoy the many benefits of this delicious and versatile vegetable. Remember, a little neglect can have big consequences, so stay on top of your asparagus crop to keep yourself and others safe.